Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video of OpenModelica series, I want to give you a quick overview of the OpenModelica interface. In this video, you will see where the main tools are, how the workspace is organized, and how to navigate it efficiently. If you want the complete introductory course on OpenModelica, where I have covered the basics with practical examples, it is available for channel members. Anyway, let's start the video. Like any other standard program, at top we have this menu bar which has a different option. We will see with the passage of time these options. Then here we have toolbar, here to open new file, to open folder, and these are to save your work. Then this central portion, it is our modeling part where we will create our model. Then at the bottom it is like console where we receive information about our simulation, about error messages and other notification. On left side we have these OpenModelica libraries, as well as our workflow will also display over here. Let me open an example and to show you the modeling interface. Here I have an example without going into the detail. Whenever we create a physical model, it looks like this. Then here we have different sections. This with gear icon, it represents this physical interface. Then on the right side it is a text view, or you can say whatever we have in physical model, it is its corresponding code. So it means if I remove something from here, it will make change over here, or vice versa. If I remove something from here, change will be represented over here. Then we have this information icon or documentation view. In this documentation view or in this information icon, you can add different information about your model. You add information about in your text view, which will represent over here. Then on the extreme left, we have this icon view. We can create icon for our model. It has nothing to do with simulation. It is just the physical representation of your model. We will see about this one also at the later stage. One thing I was saying, this physical model and this text view, they are interconnected. Let me show you what I mean. For example, here I have this tank, and you can see tank 2 is over here. Let me remove tank from here. Tank 2 I am removing from here, and you can see tank 2 has been removed from here as well. I'm just pressing Ctrl C, and tank 2 has been added again. I just did undo, and if I go back in diagram view, so it has come back. Then we have a bunch of tools over here. We will go these with the passage of time. I am just running this simulation to show you one thing. To run simulation, just click on this arrow button. Okay, when you will run this simulation, you will get message over here, your output, and it says the simulation finished successfully. Then on the right bottom corner, we have these different panes. So one is this modeling. So if you go to modeling, you will come back on this interface. If you go to the plotting, so it will bring you over here, and all these simulation parameter you can plot. You just need to click that one and it will make its plot, but we will see later. It means you can toggle between modeling and plotting from here, right bottom corner. Then we also have this debugging pane, and also this one is the welcome page that we had seen at earlier. It was the brief overview of this OpenModelica interface. You will familiarize as we will progress in this course. In next section, I will talk about briefly about these OpenModelica library. Thank you and see you in the next video.